Hello everyone, welcome back to day 10 of our 21 days English challenge. I know we took a break for a few days, but we are still here, learning step by step. That shows you are truly passionate about improving your English. Today's video is very special. We are not just going to learn English, we are going to understand why so many people struggle with speaking English. Many learners know all the grammar rules, all the sentences, all the tenses, but still find it difficult to speak. Why is it so? But by the end of this video, you will feel more confident about speaking English. So let's begin. So why people struggle with English? First reason may be fear. Fear of mistakes. Many people are scared to present themselves in front of others because they are afraid of making mistakes. This fear stops them from speaking at all. Second reason is grammar overthinking. Some people think too much about grammar rules before speaking, and when they overthink, they end up of saying nothing. Remember, overthinking is very harmful. If something goes wrong, it's okay. It's completely okay. People will not remember your mistakes for a long time, so stop overthinking and just try. Third one is lack of listening practice. Listening is the key to learn any language. When you were a child, you learned your native language by listening first, not by reading grammar rules. The same rule apply here. Listen to English every day. It could be song, stories, conversational videos or anything you enjoy. Suppose that if you love cricket, listen to cricket commentary. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you love stories, listen to English stories. First one is no environment. Some people have no environment to speak English, so they never practice. But you can create your own environment. Talk to yourself in English. Watch video, repeat what you hear, and slowly convert into your daily life into English. We have a problems: fear, grammar overthinking, less listening, and no environment. But if we have some problem, then we have a solution also. So solutions are: listen daily, imitate and repeat, speak without fear. These are your solution. Try it, and after few days later you will be more confident. If I talk about my personal experience, when I started learning English, I listened a lot of English words and sentences daily. Now I can speak more naturally. Yes, still make mistakes, but I keep trying. The key: keep connecting with English words and sentences until they become natural for you. If you are a beginner, start with a kid stories and simple conversation. If you are intermediate, watch English videos or web series with subtitles and repeat what you hear. You don't need to focus too much grammar at the beginning. Focus on listening and speaking also. Keep in your mind passion plus consistency equal to success. Now I am going to tell you a story. Listen carefully and try to retell by on your language. A teacher once invited his friend for tea. The teacher poured tea into the cup until it was full. But he didn't stop. He kept pouring and the tea spilled everywhere. The students got confused and said, "Teacher, the cup is full. Why are you still pouring?" The teacher smiled and said, "The cup is like your mind. It is already full of fear and doubts. If you want to learn something new, first empty your mind, remove the fear and be ready to accept new knowledge." So moral of this story is remove fear, stop overthinking and start practicing. That is the only way to improve your English. Always remember, empty your mind, remove fear and accept new knowledge. Okay? So for today, listen to one English story, retell in your own words, write one fear you are going to leave behind in the comment. This is day 10. We will meet again day 11 with an exciting topic that will help you improve your English even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye, take care and keep learning and keep practicing.